Hello children, today in this video we are going to start with our new chapter, chapter 13, parallel lines. First of all, what are parallel lines? So children, parallel lines are the lines which have no point in common or they will not meet each other, how much they will be extended. Wherever you will take that lines, wherever you will extend that line, but they will not meet each other. Next children, some properties related to the parallel lines. First one is the exterior angles. Now here they have marked some angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this they have told you angle 1, 2, 7 and 8 are the exterior angles because they are lying outside the lines. Interior angles which are lying inside 6, 5, 4 and 3. These are the interior angles. Alternate interior angles, children, very important. First of all, what are the alternate angles or how the alternate angles can be recognized? Suppose I will make this Z. The angles which are made in this Z or in these 2 points, these are known as the alternate angles. So always you will find the Z whenever you have to calculate the alternate angles. So alternate interior angles, see Z I can form over here into parallel lines. So 3 and 5 are the alternate angles. Here also you can form the Z. 4 and 6 are the alternate interior angles because they are in the interior. And again here we are forming the Z. Here which angles? Angle 2 and angle 8 are the exterior alternate angles or alternate exterior angles. And this is the Z. So 1 and 7 are the alternate exterior angles. Next is corresponding angles. So children, these are the two parallel lines. Angle 2 and angle 6 are the corresponding lines which are on the steps. Angle 1, angle 5 corresponding angles. Angle 7, angle 3 and angle 8 and angle 4 are the corresponding angles. Co-interior angles which are formed inside the angles. Angle 3 and angle 6 are the co-interior angles. And children, some of the co-interior angles will be 180 degree. 4 and 5 are the co-interior angles. Next children, after this come to the exercise 13.1. So it is, first question is given to you. In this AB is parallel to CD, we have to calculate the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. And it is also given to you that 1:4 is equals to 1:5. Angle 1:4 is equals to 1:5. Now children, if you will see, this is a straight line. Two angles formed on a straight line, their sum will be equals to 180. Reason? Linear pair. X plus 5x because value of 4 is equals to 5. 5x is equals to 180. 5x plus x is equal to 6x, 180. X is equals to 180 by 6, x is equals to 30. Now if 1 is 30 children, 3 is also 30, vertically opposite angle. And if 1 is 30, 5 is also 30, corresponding angles. 5 is equals to 7, vertically opposite angles, so it is also 30. Now angle 2 and angle 4. Angle 2 and angle 4 because angle 4 you have calculated over here, it is 150. So 2 and 4 is equals to 150, vertically opposite angle. 4 and 8 corresponding angles, it is also 150. 8 and 6 vertically opposite angle which is 150. And 6 and 2 again corresponding angle, so it is equals to 150. Question number 2 children, in this is the figure given to you and AB is parallel to CD. This is given to you. We have to calculate the value of X, Y and Z. So X is equals to 140, reason vertically opposite angle, and AB is parallel to CD. So X is equal to Z, reason corresponding angles. Angle X is equal to Z, corresponding angles, so it is equals to 140. And angle 1 is equals to 120. Children, this is angle 1, write it over here. Angle 1 is equals to 120, vertically opposite angle, and angle 1 is equals to angle Y which is 120 degree. Reason corresponding angles. So this only we have to calculate in the second question. Now question number 3 children. It is, this is the figure given to you again. We have to calculate here the value of A, B and C. So A is equals to 110, vertically opposite angle, and AB is parallel to CD. Therefore A is equal to C, corresponding angles. It is equals to 110 and C is equals to B, vertically opposite angle which is 110. Question 4 children, this is the figure given to you for question 4. In this you have to see one thing children, this whole angle is given to you A, okay, and I have taken this much angle is equals to 1. Clear? So at the back the answer is given to you according to 1, but I have calculated according to A. Now children, in this EF is parallel to CD, therefore 130 plus angle 1 is equals to 180. Reason, co-interior angles. So angle 1 is equals to 50 degree. Next, if angle 1 is 50, how we can calculate A? A will be equals to angle 1 plus this 20 degree. So angle 1 plus 20, which is 50 plus 20, angle A is equals to 70. Now AB is parallel to CD. So here you can form a Z. So B is equals to A, which is equals to 70 degree. Reason, alternate angles, because Z is there. Now question number 5, children. This is the figure given to you. They have told you to calculate the value of x from here. 5x, this is angle 1. So angle 1 is equal to 5x. Reason, vertically opposite angle. And angle 1 plus 4x is equals to 180 degree. Reason, co-interior angles. So from here you can calculate the value of x, which is 5x plus 4x, 9x is equals to 180. X is equals to 180 by 9, 20, and x is equals to 20. Question number 6, children. Again figure is given to you. This is the figure given to you. AB is parallel to CD. This is also given to you. So if they are parallel and these two angles are given to you, BOD, which is 70, and OCD, which is 42. So here Z is forming, Y is equals to 70, alternate angles. Y is equals to 70 alternate angles, and X is equals to 42, which is again alternate angles. Last question, children. Figure is given to you. AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to DC. Here it is given to you 93. If AD is parallel to BC, then Y is equals to 93, corresponding angles. Then AB is parallel to DC, therefore X plus Y is equals to 180, co-interior angles. Y you have calculated 93. So X plus 93 is equals to 180 and X is equals to 180 minus 93, which is equals to 87. Now AD is parallel to BC. Therefore X plus Z is equals to 180. X is 87 and from here you can calculate the value of Z, which is 93. So children, do chapter 13 also in your book. Thank you, children. Not in your book, in your notebook. So thank you, children.